Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable options trading on Robinhood in under minutes. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the three lines on the top right. And you want to go ahead and go on investing. From there, you should see a section called option trading. Now for those of you who don't have it yet, there should be a button telling you to go ahead and get access to it. Now, I have access to it already, so I'm going to go ahead and remove my access so you can kind of see what it will say for those of you who don't have access yet. So you're going to want to click on enable option trading. From there, it's going to ask you a couple of questions about your profile, and you just want to go and answer all of them. Just make sure you do not say you're a professional trader. That might cause problems in getting you approved. Other than that, you should be able to get approved for option trading fairly easy. Now you can go to any ETF, any stock, hit trade, and you will see the option to trade options. If you trade options from there, you can choose the expiration date and you can choose to buy a call or a put. And just like that, you have access to option trading. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.